Okay, so here we are at 326 Valley Ridge, right here on the south side of the lake, and welcome to your new lake house. Take a look at this adorable home. Here we have in the kitchen, you've got a fully equipped kitchen, everything you need, and you've got this bar seating area here for the island in the kitchen, as well as an additional seating area here. So come on in and we'll take a look at the bedroom that is right off the kitchen. And over here, we've got one bathroom with a stand-up shower here and a bedroom over on this side. Coming in from the kitchen, you go down the stairs and take a look at this great seating area. It's just an inviting area for your friends and family to gather, and for these cold days here that we're having right now, wood burning stove. So it's right here, and then it goes over into this area here. There's an entryway, and you've got another exterior exit to the home right here. So come on down the stairs and you'll find the master bedroom. But before you get to the master bedroom, here on your left is a laundry area with a washer dryer connection, ready for you to do your laundry, and then stepping down into this beautiful, very large master bedroom that's really isolated from the other parts of the house for privacy. And take a look at the ceiling and this beautiful flooring throughout the home. And they are selling it with the bed, comes with the home as well. And then take a look, there's a bathroom right here off the master ensuite. And the master bathroom has the shower tub combo, and it's got the single vanity, and back out to the spacious master. And the TV is also included as well. And here you have another view of this beautiful master bedroom from a different angle, and you can see how spacious it is. So give me a call if you want more details. Thanks. So here we are at 326 Valley Ridge on the south side of Canyon Lake, not too far from Gennaro's, and you can see this large yard here in the back, and there's a storage shed there as well. Here we are coming up from the other side of the house to get the back view and the other side of the yard.